The first item is called a pineapple corer. Let me show you how to use it. So my next device is a mango corer. And what it does is it cores your mangoes. So you get your mango and you can peel it before you use the device. You put it right over the center of the mango and then you push down slowly and bam, you have a perfectly cored mango. And so sometimes a little hit or miss, you may get a little bit of the core right here, but that's how it works. The next tool is this. It's called an apple corer. It's very cheap. You can get this at like a dollar store for maybe $1 or $3 or so.